Unlock the power to visualize anything you can imagine with Higgsfield AI's revolutionary photo generator, ready to create stunning, photorealistic images. Let's dive right into Higgsfield AI first. You'll notice a prominent prompt area. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you want to see, be descriptive and detailed. For example, to generate a futuristic cityscape, you might input a sprawling metropolis at sunset, with towering glass skyscrapers reflecting the warm hues of the sky, flying vehicles weaving between buildings, and a vibrant, dynamic energy. Next, explore the style selection. Higgsfield AI offers a range of artistic directions. You can choose a photorealistic style for ultra-lifelike results, a conceptual style for more abstract and artistic interpretations, or even a cinematic style for dramatic, film-ready visuals. Experiment with these to find the perfect look for your vision. Beyond the core prompt and style, you have granular control. Look for options that allow you to adjust parameters like detail intensity to fine-tune sharpness and texture, or color saturation to enhance vibrancy. You might also find aspect ratio selectors, letting you choose between a standard square, a wide cinematic view, or a vertical portrait format. As you input your parameters and select your style, the AI begins its work. Watch as your described scene materializes before your eyes, a testament to the power of AI-driven image synthesis. Once generated, you can often iterate by making small adjustments to your prompt or parameters and refining the output until it perfectly matches your expectations. Whether you need captivating marketing visuals, unique artistic expressions, or concept art for your next project, Higgsfield AI empowers you to create custom visuals with unparalleled ease and photorealism. Start generating your visions today.